Hey guys, in my last video we talked about the teaser of the Nokia 9, but that was not the real deal. A new teaser campaign heads up on the Nokia Mobile India Twitter account. This campaign operates under the same Bring It On hashtag and has been building an anticipation for the August 21st event, and now it seems like that the Nokia 6.1 Plus is the most likely device to be featured. Though HMD hasn't confirmed anything officially, but rumors also circulating that Nokia 6.1 Plus is the phone that will launch on August 21st. The phone will have 5.8-inch 1080p display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and a notch on top. It will powered by the same Snapdragon 636 processor coupled with 4/6 gigs of RAM. It will also feature a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with some AI tricks and with a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Now as for the flagship level Nokia phone, according to previous rumors, it will launch at the end of this year. And if you want the full leak coverage of the Nokia 9, then check out my that video. So yeah guys, that's all on the Nokia 9 and Nokia 6.1 Plus. The Nokia 6.1 Plus will be launched in India on August 21st along with Nokia 5.1 Plus and maybe some other devices, and the pricing of these devices is still a mystery. So yeah guys, that's all on the Nokia 6.1 Plus and the Nokia 9 and August 21st launch event of Nokia. Now let me know what you guys think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for more future videos. And if you guys enjoyed it, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.